Yeah, Josh, that sounds great. I'm looking forward to it. That's how they look. Damn you, not autofocus. So yeah, pretty look at that match too. Pretty big giveaway today. Pretty big giveaway. Excited about it. Excited for whoever receives this beautiful set. But yeah, to sum it up, hope everyone had a fun day today. Got to see Brant kick ass doing all his stuff. Andy was working on some dice photos. We're going to be relaunching some gemstone dice stuff. Looks like we had some con assets going on over at the laser production. We had Jordan training Cam on doing up the trays. We have CNC, who I don't think we've named yet, but we probably should. You know, doing CNC stuff like always. You love to see it. And Bennett always kicking ass over on the follow cam. Fun day today. Appreciate you guys hanging out. Make sure you guys get your entries in. Exclamation point entry. I'm gonna draw this in probably like a minute. Later, Matt. Love to see and see it. Get out. Leaves. Thank you. Jeffrey knows. Jeffrey knows our accepted puns here. Any plans for Wormwood to ever accept PayPal? Do we not? Thought we did. I know Kickstarter doesn't accept PayPal, but I thought we did. Pretty sure you can use PayPal now? Yeah. Yeah, we can. Good to know, yeah. Kickstarter does accept PayPal. Oh, that's great. I thought I saw people mentioning in comments that Kickstarter didn't. Maybe it was Pledge Manager that doesn't. I don't know. Anyways, that's beyond me at this very moment right now. Maybe it's Traxy Time pre-order? Possibly, yeah. But anywho, yeah, I just wanted to remind everyone, we do have a promo going up right now. All of our tabletop vaults and hero vaults are going to be leaving. They are getting discontinued. We have a little RTD special going on. It includes a custom engraving. It includes a set of resin dice and a random vault. It's a good deal. Like I'm pretty sure Nick only included up until Ebony, possibly, on the script, but like I said, there's a chance to get the Savage Quinn vault and a bunch of fun little old school promo vaults that we have. We're doing more gemstone stuff. Does that mean blue turquoise is coming back? If it is coming back, you guys will be the first to know. Rest in peace. Hex vaults are my top Wormwood buys. Yeah, believe it or not, they're actually one of our worst selling products is the tabletop and the hero vaults, which I was very surprised about because the tabletop vault is one of my favorite products. Any of the classic poly sets still kicking around if they have all been sold off? Poly, as in like the 8-bit vaults? Like the buy stuff? Hadouken! Hey Ski, thank you so much for the 5 months. Appreciate that. Is there a poly vault in the pool? Do you guys want me to go check? There is. Does anyone want to guess how many there is? One. There is one vault available. Holy crap, it's a beaut too.